Happy Friday, everyone. Well, we set new record high temperatures in northwest Indiana and across Chicagoland yesterday. The question is, are we going to do it again today? Well, I tell you what, it's going to be awfully close. So, forecasting a high of 82 today, and where our records are officially kept in northwest Indiana at the Porter County Regional Airport, the record high there, 83, set in 2003. So it's going to be awfully close, and I'm not going to rule out tying that record high. I think it's more likely we'll just miss it, but it is possible we could tie that record high. I don't think we're going to break it, though, like we did yesterday. But still, remarkably warm for this time of year. Normal high temperatures are in the low 60s. No chance of rain today, mostly sunny in the morning and a little bit more cloud cover in the afternoon. We'll call it partly cloudy skies and just a light breeze around, gusts around 15 miles per hour. All right, so now let's take a look at your weekend forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO. Still dry tonight, partly cloudy skies and mild low temperatures as well. Normal low temperatures for this time of year should be in the upper 30s, so about 20 degrees above normal tonight as well, and not much wind, and no more than 10 miles per hour. Saturday morning looks completely dry, and honestly, in the afternoon, I just see the possibility for a few showers, maybe at the earliest, beginning around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but until 4 o'clock in the afternoon, looking completely dry, partly cloudy, and still warm. The average high in northwest Indiana, 81 degrees, just a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour. Now, scattered showers and storms for Saturday night, but I do have to say, if you're going to be out early Saturday night, so 7, 8 o'clock, it does look like just isolated showers and storms. So I do have to say, more likely that you will be dry than see rain. But if you plan on staying out late, there's just going to be more and more activity as we go through the night. And particularly after midnight is when I expect the scattered showers and storms, and it's when it's going to be a good chance of rain. But early evening hours in particular, I wouldn't cancel your Saturday night plans. If you want to be completely dry, though, and not have to worry about any rain, go out Friday night instead of Saturday night. But I do have to say, if you've got some Saturday night plans that are locked in, good news is the early evening hours still look okay. Got to mention a chance of rain, but the good chance probably not until after midnight, because a cold front will be approaching us. But that's key. That's why I look at the low temperature Saturday night, still just 59 degrees, still above normal for this time of year, and still just a light breeze around. The cold front itself looks to arrive around 9, 10 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. So we might be able to warm up a little bit Sunday morning, but then temperatures are only going to be dropping. So that high of 62 on Sunday is about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. And I do expect temperatures to eventually drop as we get into the late afternoon, early evening hours of Sunday. Temperatures are going to be sitting in the low 50s, and the winds are going to be picking up. So we're talking about wind chills. Once we get to Sunday afternoon, in the late afternoon, wind chills are going to be in the mid 40s. And I do think the best chance of rain is going to be right along the cold front. So Sunday morning in particular, not only looking wet, but stormy. I do think a good chance of thunderstorms. And we could see wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, some pea-sized hail, not going to rule that out. But no damaging wind and no damaging hail. But I do have a chance for some small hail and gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. And though I think the thunderstorms will go away as our temperatures drop in the afternoon on Sunday, still a good chance of showers in the afternoon. And again, those gusts around 35 miles per hour. Making it a little bit less pleasant to be outside. So definitely, as far as Saturday or Sunday, which day is the better outdoor day? It is absolutely Saturday.